Alright, so you're saying JDM battle.
Yeah, also, I bet you've never seen a 370 that can shoot flame out the hood in this game.
Forza has come so far. Alright, how about JDM with a twist, though?
What do you mean?
We have to buy it from auction house.
Okay. Alright,
I see so many people do auction house. Budget?
We're gonna have a budget.
I feel like we have to at least buy the car. Budget, like, upgrades as well, or budget as in how much we can spend on the car, like, buying it? I got money to spend, so we can go. Sky's the limit, my friend.
So do I. I mean, obviously, like the max you can spend on the upgrade area is like 100,000 plus. Not that much, but the car itself,
Only if you do engine swaps. I don't think engine swaps should be allowed. Stock engine for sure. So, 250? Or maybe go down to 200k. What's the max bid we can get here? Oh, wait, max buyout. That's what I meant.
Max buyout.
Oh, it just jumps from 110 to 200. So
let's do meet it in the middle. Do 300.
sounds good to me. And it has to be JDM, but I don't think I can filter for just JDM only.
Oh, you can go for Japan, Japanese country.
How do I do that?
Like if you go down, okay, so if you do advanced search, you can see like make, model, performance class, car type.
Shoot, I didn't know that. Let's go. I've been playing this game since it released, and I didn't even know that. We're learning stuff. Okay, filter for Japan. This makes it so much easier. Oh, immediately R32. And it's tuned? And it's only 61k.
You're already there, okay.
Yeah, I'm already searching. Okay. The car I got is already tuned for S1.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go take it out real quick while you're reloading the game and see if it's actually worth the tune or if I'm going to retune it myself.
Okay.
This is definitely engine swapped. Not my fault though.
To what?
Maybe it's not engine swapped. It just sounds weird. Yo. Nah, I already won. There's no way I did not win after something like this. Bro, I'm cooking. Bro, this thing handles so well. Yeah, I might have a new S1 race car.
Okay, so what filter did you go through?
I just did 300k Japan.
300k Japan.
And I went past this car multiple times. I was kicking around the idea of it. I was like, you know what? Sick color. I'm coping it. Copping it. Whatever they say.
Come to where I am. You'll see.
But I'm parked here. Alright, you know, I'm in drone mode. Hold on. Let's see.
Get out of drone mode. What are you doing?
I was glazing over my car.
Stop it. Because I'm coming back to the...
I can't keep up with my little drone. But why did I hear an LFA?
Dude, this is the Mitsubishi. That's what it sounds like.
Thing sounds like a jet engine. Friday. You all-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive, yep.
Ooh, I'm rear-wheel drive. Oh, but I'm right with you though. Dude, I haven't like seriously gave Forza a good game in a while. Except like yesterday when I played. I've been playing Fortnite and Minecraft and Rocket League. Bro, I'm hugging those corners. Did you see that?
No, I saw that.
I low-key think I got a better car.
Yours is rear-wheel drive, so that's going to be a struggle, especially with no tires.
You have me on the launch, but dude, I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to seriously mess up. Dude, I'm gonna just keep roasting that Mitsubishi, bro. Come on, man. Like a Mitsubishi should have gotten a Honda.
It's not my fault. It's the best looking thing that there was. I had some decent power.
I'm surprised you didn't see this NSX. It was in the shop for so long. I went past it like 5 times when I was going through.
Well, I didn't have the same stuff as you had.
I was filtering it the way you said you used to do it.
Well, I don't know. I didn't see the vehicle at all.
I'm keeping this thing. This thing is
completely-
so good. Ooh, going in. I hit that. I messed up the corner. I'm going in first person mode for right now.
Are you kidding me? I missed the checkpoint by a little centimeter. Are you serious? I watched the flag move as I did. Yeah, it still says that.
Guaranteed win.
That is
Bro, this car destroyed the track. Dude, this car is insane. You couldn't tell right now. I'm just like leaning back in my chair right now.
Oh, I tried drifting that corner.
Bro, what is that? Like a 12? No. 20? Almost 20-second separation.
Well, I had to rewind.
Ooh, and I get a wheel spin. And I got a Land Rover. Never mind. What if we do the marathon? That one's not as long as the Goliath, but still a good track.
More straight or what?
It's got everything. Corners, straights, it uses probably the highway.
Alright. Yeah, we can drive.
It's gonna be a very interesting course here. How you feeling? Oh, you're actually gaining. Oh! Oh! He's just gone! Bro, were you holding out on me?
I forgot cars were here.
Yeah, that's just part of the challenge though, you know? Oh my god, I'm in the wrong gear. There we go. Oh, that car messed me up. I'm way off course. Alright, here we go. Back locked in. Traffic here is messing me up. Why is the traffic so heavy? Oh my god, they're everywhere. I feel like you were trying to hit me there. My car is insane. I can't even get through it enough. I saw you hit that wall. I'm gonna start hitting traffic to mess you up.
Are you serious?
Oh. No, I hit a car that messed me up so bad. You hit the same car. drift? Oh shoot, no drifting. I am running for my life right now.
Really? A freaking trash can?
The trash can stopped you completely?
Yeah, the trash can stopped me completely.
I just hit a whole building. Didn't know a trash can has a strong hitbox like that.
That's fun.
Full send. I didn't break in time. I'm in the ditch. I'm all messed up. My game's over. And I was in the wrong gear. Hey!
You know we can hit each other.
I put it on so we can ram each other.
You little monkey.
Dude, I just cut in front of you. Why did you act so dramatic?
You are badass.
Oh my god, dude, no.
Wow. Okay. You stay right there. We're gonna start at the same exact spot, basically. Like, gotta do another countdown.
You're gonna full send past me, I already know it. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Rocco messed you up right there. Alright, now I'm gonna full on ram you, son. Did I just hand you the victory? I am not catching up. Oh, I'm going for that draft. I don't think drafting works when your opponent is getting away. Oh, okay. You got that frontline speed, but I have handling for sure. Totally destroyed a car. Could have hit me there, son. You're gonna catch me when we get to the highway section. As long as you keep up with me, that is.
Oh, that is such a sharp freaking turn. Wow.
It is, yeah.
Wow, I was not expecting that.
I was full on expecting you to hit me, which is why I turned as hard as I could.
I was, like, I had full force on it.
I did too. It always catches me. I always have to rewind it. It's like the first time in a while I haven't had to rewind. Alright, I'm getting close. I'm getting to the highway portion, so this is where you're gonna pass me.
Oh my god! Bro, get the fucking wall!
Never mind. This is where you're gonna catch up, but might not pass me. Oh, he's already on the road. What was your top speed back then, you know? I'm hitting traffic to mess you up. You better get back on this side. It's gonna turn right. Oh, you're catching up. Bro, you are closing that gap. You're on my mini map. Going how fast?
230.
Dude, I'm topping out at 185. I can go faster, but it won't go faster. Get away from me! I'm generally scared. I just see 2 headlights back there. I messed up that corner so bad. Okay, hold on. Got some corners right here where I will have some chance of putting a distance between these two. Oh, you're right behind me. The finish line is right around this corner. Actually, a couple more corners.
Your hands are so sweaty and you just keep slipping off the joystick.
Why are you gripping the controller so hard there?
I'm not. I'm barely even holding on to it.
I'm not even holding my controller. That's how good I am.
On the keyboard.
I'm using a controller right now. You think I am doing all this on keyboard? Oh man, I'm using a controller. I missed a checkpoint! No! Okay. I'm locking in now. Locking in. 19% left of this course. Accidentally downshift. I'm one. Oh my god, you got you now. Taking the door 230 miles an hour. I'm here 180. I just drove through multiple fences, slowed me down so much. This last part of the course is gonna be a straight line, man. You're gonna pass me and take home the crown.
Oh my god, I'm right behind you.
Yeah, but you need to do a send and a half to catch up. Oh, I hit traffic on it. I hope they reset themselves right when you get back over there. Alright, taking the final corner right here. I think I might have it.
So much hunting.
I see the finish line.
You probably know it.
It's all mine. Reverse finish, just to flex and see how far behind you are. What was that? 8 seconds? I mean, not that far behind. For a follow-up. Even though technically I did beat you.
If anything, we can try to do a drag race. After, not with these cars, but like race after. Okay. Well, that's gonna be an issue because you have a good start. Well, for my speed build up. You gotta start. Get out of here, little pig.
You can't, dude. I had no choice. I should have done the shorter one.
Yeah.
Finally, you win something. After a year of absence, you bring back your victory streak.
Hey, no, I beat you in the challenge. I was up higher than at the end of the time.
You mean that tower one? Yeah, that one might get lost in the files.
Dude.